Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Sezzle Spend when shopping on Amazon. First, you need to download the Sezzle app on your phone and sign in. Once you are signed in, you will use the virtual card feature in the Sezzle app. To shop on Amazon with Sezzle, find the option to create a virtual card and enter the total amount you plan to spend on Amazon. Review the payment plan and confirm. Sezzle will then generate a virtual card number along with an expiration date and security code. Next, open the Amazon app or website. Add the items you want to your cart and go to checkout. When Amazon asks for payment details, enter the virtual card information from the Sezzle app. Make sure this card is selected as the payment method before placing the order. After the order is placed, Sezzle will charge the first payment right away and schedule the remaining payments automatically. If you have Sezzle Spend available in your account, it will be applied to reduce what you owe. You can track your payments and balances anytime inside the Sezzle app. That is how you use Sezzle Spend on Amazon. Thanks for watching.